Alright guys, Tucker over at Alcan Spring. Today we're going to be unboxing a set of ride rear shocks for Tacoma. So let's check them out. Got a nice sticker pack, a booklet. Nice packaging. Yeah, just look at how nice the packaging is in here. Got a reservoir mounting kit. Let me get these out and we'll get you a better look at them. Alrighty guys, so first impressions after getting them out of the box is they are very nice. Nice red anodizing, dual adjusters, nice bushings up here. Overall, I'm very impressed. Let's get them put on the truck and we'll see how they do. Alrighty, so I've got these unboxed. First impressions, they are very nice shocks. Got high-low adjusters on here, red anodizing, nice stickers, everything looks very nice on these shocks, so we'll see how they're going to ride, but first impressions are great. Alright guys, we're going to unbox our last piece of the puzzle for our AccuTune suspension products we got. So these are going to be our UCAs. We got a nice sticker booklet. Here are the UCAs. Label, driver, passenger. We did the ball joint with the heims. Heims are sealed up with an O-ring. Help keep as much debris out of there as possible. But overall, feel very nice, heavy duty. We're impressed with them. We'll check them out. Alright guys, so one last thing I wanted to mention was AccuTune, they send you an install sheet or booklet with everything you get from them. And that was something that we were very pleased to see in the box. It breaks down everything that you need to see, everything's circled for the hardware you need to remove. It tells you a tool list of everything that you're going to need, gives you torque specs for reinstallation, really in-depth instructions. This really eliminates the need, if there was an issue, to have to call AccuTune for any sort of questions, such as in the shocks. They give you preload adjustments, max adjustments that they want to see in the shocks. So they want, if you're running a 600-pound coil, they don't want you to be over 1.01 inches of thread. So this really helps eliminate the need to make a phone call. Maybe you're going to be installing these on the weekend or after hours where you can't get a hold of AccuTune. This booklet is really going to help you guys get all the information you need without having to make that phone call. So we were very, very pleased to see that. Alrighty, so just got wrapped up with this Tacoma here. On this Tacoma, we did the ride shock package, the AccuTune up control arms. Overall, everything turned out great. We're very impressed with how they perform and ride. The fitment was great. We didn't have any issues. We didn't have to turn any reservoirs. Everything bolted up exactly how it should out of the box. So we're very, very happy with that. And the quality and finish of everything was very nice. So we're very, very pleased with that. Took some videos of the truck up in the air after the install. So we'll show you guys what they look like all installed, how nice the finish of everything is. Ride quality tests, we just got back from a test drive and they perform very nice. They ride really good. So ride shocks in Alcan Springs for the win.